Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Just Eat app keeps crashing. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Just Eat app. After that tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage option on the top. Now tap on clear cache and now tap on clear data and now OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Now tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Just Eat and now OK. So here you will see update button option instead of open button. So simply tap on that to update this app to the latest version. So hope this video will help you. So please subscribe to this channel. Thanks.